Hello, students. Good morning. What day is today? What day is today? Great job. Please write today is in your English notebook. What's the weather like outside? What's the weather like outside? Please write the weather is in your English notebook. I feel happy. I feel happy. How do you feel? Please write I feel in your English notebook. What time do you eat breakfast? What time do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 7:30. Please write in your English notebook what time you have breakfast. I have cereal and milk for breakfast. What do you have for breakfast? Please write in your notebook what you have for breakfast. Okay, students, today I would like you to complete a worksheet about the time and food. Please complete the worksheet and after watch a YouTube video. This video is very good and useful for learning how to tell time in English. Remember, 30 equals half and 15 equals a quarter. You will need to remember this when you are completing your worksheet. Okay, students, see you next time. Bye.